Leo, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing really good. So, I'm back again. I'm sorry I had to make you wait so long for the readings, and now I'll be more regular with the readings, of course. So, this is for the sun sign Leo, and you may also it may also resonate with your moon and rising. Please check your placements before watching the videos, and don't make force it to resonate with you. If it does not resonate with you, it's not your story, and also the roles may be reversed. So let's begin. I hope, Leo, you are doing really good. Let's begin with the readings, and this is for the mid-month September, that is starting from 15th of September till the 30th of September. Let's dive into your love life to begin with. So, Leo, what is in store for you in your love life? Let's see what is in store for you in your love life. What's coming towards you in love, Leo? Let's see what's coming towards you in love. 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 Universe, please tell me what is coming towards Leo in love. Leo in love. Okay. So, in love, you are basically slowing down right now, and you are also surrendering to the creator, to the divine in some form, and you are also hopeful of very positive outcome, that you think that it might turn into a long term avenue, a future with that person that you're currently dealing with, which is very beautiful energy. Let's see, why are you slowing down, Aries? What makes you slow down? Let's see, Aries. Oh, sorry, I'm saying Aries. You might be dealing with an Aries, by the way. So, Leo, let's see, why are you slowing down? Maybe there has been certain hardships or certain revelations of some kind that has made you reflect on yourself and slow down for a while. Let's see, why are you slowing down, Leo? Why are you slowing down, Leo? Universe, please tell me why is slowing down. Okay. So, Leo, you are slowing down because of certain negative toxicity in the cycle. You feel that you are too attached to that person and you need to let go of certain kind of attachments. You feel that these attachments are not healthy in some way or shape or form. Though you are quite attracted to that person, you find that person really, really attractive, and you are ready to take action towards them as well. You're ready for the relationship as well, but you want to take it slow. You want to wait for them to show certain emotions or certain kind of positivity towards you, that they must be you must be able to relate, that they also feel the same towards you. That is what you are looking for in the relationship. Basically, you want them to also show that they feel the same way, so you're waiting for that kind of gesture from them, maybe. And that's why you're surrendering to the divine, and you're waiting for the opportunity to reveal itself on its own. Though you feel that there is a possibility and there is an opportunity, absolutely, for a long term stability in this relationship. Okay, maybe this person hasn't yet revealed, though you love them very much. I can there are no love cards here, but I can feel you love them. You are negatively attached. That is, your attachment is too toxic. That is, it has taken a toll on your health, on your mind somehow. That's why you're trying to release off that negative cycle from here. Okay, so why do you feel that you have a future with them? Let's see, Leo, what is the reason? What is the reason? Okay. So you feel that this person is quite stable, and they are also focused, goal oriented. They do not while away their time or anything. That is one thing. And also you also feel that you feel quite happy and content with that person, that you have not felt with anybody else till now. That is also there. And you're really looking forward. You've also felt a lot of you've also had a lot of positive experiences with this person. Okay, positive experiences with this person, which has led you to think that there is a possibility with of a future with this person. Okay, and you also have a lot of options around you. You also are a little confused with certain background things that may be there. You feel that there are a lot of illusions that keep coming to you, or you want to gain clarity in the situation, that is it mutual or not. Maybe that's the reason. Okay, why? So you are surrendered to the divine. Let's leave it to that. And you're slowing down currently. So that is your energy for the month, Leo. Okay, you have taken a back seat, and you are also one thing also I feel that you are now currently focusing on your career. You are focusing on your career, on your goals, and you have already found someone, and you're waiting for them to make the move first, or just to let you know maybe, and you will be able to take that first step ahead. You are ready to take that leap of faith or take the first step once they even give you a hint of their interest in you. Okay, so that is there, Leo. Now we'll see what is in store for you in love. Oh, sorry, love we did. Let's see what is in store for you in career. Okay, let's see what is in store for Leo in their career. What is in store for Leo in their career? Universe, please tell me what is in store for Leo in their career. Universe, please tell me what is in store for Leo in their career. Leo, let's see what is in store for Leo in their career. What is in store for Leo in their career? Okay. So we have awareness, stress, and you have transformation. Okay. So you have certain awareness about certain things in your career going on, that you know that okay, no matter what, at least I will be able to make certain growth. Even if I don't make it to a billion, I will be able to make it to a lakh, maybe. That is what you feel. You're aware of your shortcomings, you're aware of the growth perspectives in whatever you are dealing with. Maybe you feel that there is a chance of a lot of growth in the situation, but you are stressed on one hand, that this is taking a lot of energy from you. You have to like invest a lot of your time on this, and then you have to wait for the returns to come through. This is a slow and gradual period. This will not happen immediately, that is aaj kaam kiya to we get the result tomorrow itself. That is not the case here. That is, you do it and you get the result immediately. That is not the case here. You'll have to give it, it's like a gestation period that is there. You invest today, you get the returns after 2 3 months maybe, or something, depending on the situation. So you are currently transforming your career. You are delving into new paths, that is I can see. So Leo, what is the transformation that you are going through? Let's clarify this further. Universe, please tell me what is the transformation Leo is going through in their career. Transformation in their career, transformation in their career, transformation. Okay, so you are again, like I told you, you are going to school again. That is transformation. I told you there is something new that you are beginning. It's like you are going to school again and learning new things, to deliver new things, to start with something afresh. So you need to also keep yourself abreast with certain trends in market, this thing, so that you can, perform your best. तो उसके लिए firstly you have to learn certain things, and then only you can deliver. So you are going back to school in some shape or form, that is learning to do things first to deliver it. And you are trying to have a lot of strength in the situation ki, yeah, you can do it and you can succeed in this. That is what you are continuously boosting yourself, continuously motivating yourself for. And you are holding back from any sort of, you're also holding back from expressing too much, or you are not that expressive to others. You're not letting people know so soon, or you are just holding back your penny to heart because you don't know how this might perform. That is also the case. Okay, and what is the stress here about? Let's see, what is the stress here about, Leo? What is the stress? First, please tell me what is the stress Leo is facing in their career. What is the stress here about? Universe, please tell me what is the stress here about? 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 Okay. So, like I told you, in the future, maybe you ventured into in the past. In the past, I can see that you had ventured into things by in entering into collaborations, partnerships, and things like that. So they were somehow managed well because you were not doing it alone. Now you feel that you are doing it alone, then there is a gestation period, you have to wait for the results and outcome. You are worried that it it shouldn't backfire, or you shouldn't feel left out in the cold after making such an investment. That is what you're stressed about. But as I can see, you are already aware of the good and the bad. I'm sorry, the card has fell down. So you are already aware of the good and the bad. So this is something you know that it will do, and what it can do and what it cannot do to the situation. Let me see what you are aware of basically. Please tell me, what is the awareness about? What is the awareness about? What is the awareness about? Okay, you're aware that this is a gradual process. It will take time to, you have to start from the learning phase, and then only it can reach a certain point of maturity. And you're also aware that you might have to, move to certain places. You might have to shift your focus from here to there at certain intervals, whenever required. So you're aware of this, you're aware of everything, so there is nothing to worry about. I mean, you're prepared mentally, Leo, so do not worry. And as I can see, there is nothing to worry about. I think you have the experience, you are also learning, and you will perform well. That is what I feel. It's just the beginning, so it takes time to go through certain avenues, to go through certain areas of your life, but gradually and slowly you will be there. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see the overall guidance for you for the month of September. Okay, what is the overall guidance for Leo for the month of September, starting from 15th of September to the 30th of September? Universe, please tell me, what is the overall guidance for Leo? Overall guidance for Leo. Okay, overall guidance for Leo. Overall guidance for Leo. Okay. So we have silence here. You are right now in, you need to like meditate more, and you need to silence your mind, calm your mind, do not overthink, and you will get your answers from within yourselves. Within yourself. You don't have to look around for answers. You will get it from within yourself. You need to calm your mind. You need to be silent as much as you can. Reflect on the things that you do, and you will be able to pass through this month with flying colors. Also, there are certain things that you've overlooked in the past. You need to reflect on those too, so that you don't repeat the same mistakes. Okay. Okay, so that was your reading, Leo. I hope you enjoyed the reading. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, thank you. Stay blessed. Have a great day. Namaste.